Hey there, welcome back. I am Paola of PaolaPonceNails.com, your source for soft gel nail education, and in today's video, I will be taking you step by step through the process of applying Xtens nails. Now, a couple weeks ago, I did a video comparison between Xtens and Apres, and I'll put the link for you in the description below for you to watch later. Just a brief description of what the Xtens system is. Xtens is a quick soft gel nail extension system, allowing you to adhere full coverage tips with gel on natural nails. That is without the use of glue for an immediate nail extension. These systems are also known as quick tip systems. If you are interested in the good old-fashioned way of building extensions using forms and doing so with soft gel, by the way, I also have some step-by-step tutorials for you to watch. Just click the card above. Alright, step 1, after completing a full manicure and getting rid of any debris, begin sizing your client's nails to the correct size Xtens tip. To do so, you want to make sure that the tip fits from side wall to side wall. Next step, I highly recommend that you get all of your tools ready, including your lamp of choice. Now, a key different selling point with the Xtens system is that their tips actually do not need to be roughened up prior to application. The plastic tips are already pre-roughened for you. Now, the Xtens gel used to adhere the plastic tips in the Xtens system is actually very thin. And so the application process requires that you use a lot of pressure when pressing on the nail. So use your stand, your finger holder, so that your client props her finger and she contributes to the application of the pressure needed. Now, you don't necessarily need to go very thick with this product. The key here is to apply a lot of pressure and nobody move, okay? Because you don't want any air bubbles. So once you press, don't let go. Make sure you have your curing unit ready to go. And actually, Xtens recommends that you turn it on and apply the tips with the gel at the same time it is being exposed to the light. Once all of your Xtens nails are on, go ahead and give that hand a full cure. Now that is the application process. You can now further move on to tapering the nails and making them exactly what you want, whether it's reshaping them into an almond nail or applying gel polish right over them or a clear coat. Before you move on to whatever it is you're going to move on, I do always recommend that you taper up the cuticle area a little bit. You clean it up with a diamond bit file. Now the Apres tips are already non-shiny, so you can just move on to your gel application from here on. Alright, if this video provided a ton of value, share it with a friend. Make sure you hit that bell icon below for next week's video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.